Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about local storage versus session storage versus cookies. So basically we'll consider like what was the problem and what was the need of all this in the first place. So basically the problem was that when you're doing like communicating with the client and server, there is nowhere to store the user preferences or user activities. So considering this, uh, there was a concept created to store data in the browser. So how it works is, so all this local storage, session storage is basically just like if you have studied any language, int a is equal to 10. So this is exactly how we are gonna store the data in our browser. So this will be the variable name and this will be the value. So the thing is here, uh, we are gonna use strings. So we are gonna store like int name is equal to 10. So and the next thing you want to know is the use case of each. So the cookies is the one which has the least storage, which is 4 KB. So 4 KB, and session storage has 5 MB. 4 so hope you get the difference. 5 MB, and local storage is the one which has the maximum, which is 10 MB. Okay, that is not tidy, but anyway, you get the point. And the next thing you want to know is that local storage is persistent. Like even when you close the browser, it's gonna get stored in your. It's not gonna get deleted from your browser. Session storage gets deleted as soon as you close the session or the tab. So that is that. So next thing is how the actual implementation happens. So okay, I need this tab. So how it works is, just forget everything. So you can do the same setup by having a live server extension in VS Code. So basically, what we are gonna do is, okay, forget everything. This okay. So type local storage. So this is basically a script, a JavaScript file. So type local storage and set item. So basically we are taking a variable name, variable, okay, let's say name, and we are storing a value in it. So we're gonna store my name. So this is how easy it is to store values in local storage. So if you check onto the browser in the developer tools, you'll get local storage options in the application section. So in the application section, so go to local storage and click on this, and the value gets stored. So let me do it one more time so that it's clear. So this time let me store. So I'm using live server, so automatically the value gets changed over here. Okay, so I guess because of the, okay, that's why it is getting overwritten. So if we are using the same variable name, it'll get overwritten. So next thing is session storage. So session storage gets stored in the same way, and also you can console log this. It's pretty easy to do that. So console dot log and have that value here, and instead of set item, do it get item, and just pass the variable name, and you're good to go, and the value will get displayed over here. Okay, control S. Okay, here are some mistakes. So where is the console? Okay, there is some error. So yeah, it locks the value name 1. uh yeah, name 1 gets logged first. So that is that, and the session storage works the same way. So in application, okay, session storage works the same way. And if you can see it, there is car value and key. It's basically storing key value pair. So car is Merc. So that is that. So I hope you learned for this video, and based on the use case you should know where to use what. So that is the engineering going on there, like which is the best suited for our use case. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something, and I see you tomorrow.